How to control eating. Here are some tips that will definitely help you. Especially the last one was the most helpful. Number 1. Keep a food diary. Write down what you eat and when you eat it. This can help you identify patterns and triggers for overeating. Number 2. Eat slowly. Take your time to eat and savor each bite. This can help you feel full faster and avoid overeating, like to this lovely little girl. Number 3. Avoid distractions while eating. Try to eat in a quiet, relaxed environment, without distractions like TV or your phone. This can help you be more mindful of what and how much you're eating. Number 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help you feel full and prevent overeating. Number 5. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can affect your hormones and increase cravings for junk food. Number 6. Practice stress management. Stress can trigger overeating, so finding healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or exercise, can be helpful. Summary. Remember, controlling your eating habits is a process, and it's okay to slip up sometimes. The key is to keep trying and make changes that work for you. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the little bell.